In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan Wi-Fi QR code on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, on our iPhone we need to head over to Settings. Then just scroll down a bit until you find Control Center here. And here we need to scroll down until we find Code Scanner shortcut here in that list. And now we need to tap right here at this plus button to move it right here to the included console section. After that, you can drag it up or down to change its position in this list. And once it is done, guys, we can go out of settings. And now, to scan any QR code, all we have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. That will bring us the control center, and that's where we can easily find that QR code scanner, which we can use to scan any Wi-Fi code. All we have to do is just point our camera on it. As you can see, the code has just been successfully scanned, and right from here it allows us to join that Wi-Fi network by hitting right here at Join. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.